Hello everyone, good evening. It's Alia Alfahat here. So let's go to weekly analysis of Nifty. Starting with Nifty in the weekly time frame. So as you can see, weekly Nifty price has taken the slight resistance from 21 EMA in the weekly time frame and formed a doji. So as of now, it is so much of sideways market and not giving a trending move in the weekly time frame. And let's go to our daily. And daily has been there is a change of trend in the 4 hour time frame. It has slightly broken and given a close, but did not sustain for the second day above 24,100 levels. Now, what we can plan for the coming days is let's go to hourly and 15 minutes. So there has been a dip also in 15-minute time frame. So once, yeah, so the plan is to go long once we start to hold about 24,100 for target of 24,200 nearby levels. And then once we start to break about 24,200 too, then we might head towards 24,320 and 24,450. So these are my upside targets for on break of every day's previous day's highs and previous weekly highs. And if the trend has to change, then price has to break below 23,900 and close and sustain for an hour or 4 hour time frame. If there is a daily close, then we can say the trend has changed to bearish in the daily. As of now, the trend is bullish. There has been a gap down. Still, we are long here. So for trend change, there has to be a breakdown below 23,900. And then the first target will be 23,800. And then we might head towards this gap filling. If the support breaks down below 23,800, we might head towards 23,620, and then we might see 23,480 also. That is like way too much targets. So let's just see how things are moving in the coming days. So this is my plan for Nifty for upside and downside. And coming to Bank Nifty in weekly time frame, again there has been a doji after a very strong trending market. Price usually goes sideways. So as of now, I expect us one more sideways candle in the weekly time frame, or probably a close inside this range of this doji. And as of now, this is a strong support. Here now it could act as resistance, and that should be noted. Coming to daily, we can see that price has sustained above this level of previous daily high, swing high, 57,450 levels for 2 consecutive days here. So I can safely say that if price starts to break above 58,000 levels, previous weekly high, we might head towards 58,450. That could be an easy target as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, because Bank Nifty is way much stronger than Nifty. So you just if you are planning for longs and price starts to hold above 58,020, then you should concentrate on Bank Nifty for long side. We might easily get 400 to 500 points, 1% target. That is my plan for Bank Nifty. For any trend change, so this is my plan. So once it starts to break above 58,020, we might head towards 58,500. This is my first target. And then we might head towards 58,750 also. For trend reversal, price has to break below 57,450 levels. That is below Friday's low, and starts to hold above this for some time or in daily or 4 hour. Then we might head towards this gap filling here, 56,870. And then below that 56,870, we might also head towards 56,350. So this is my plan for Nifty and Bank Nifty in the indices. Coming to Pharma after a very strong up move, it has come for a pullback near 21 EMA and forming a base here. So once we start to break above 24,600 or 580 to 600 levels, it's a good opportunity to go long in Pharma. So you just keep a watch on the Pharma index. And coming to energy, so consecutively, it is forming upside candles, and once we are above previous weekly high, so it should make a good move in the coming days. So this is my plan for energy index. And IT, I have said that IT is weaker and it could head towards more fall. So as you can see, there has been a one more gap down opening and almost a small rejection from 21 AMA, and it saw a good fall from there. Now again, it could give a pullback and start to fall again, or go sideways and fall again. So small caps, as far as small caps are concerned, it has broken and has broken, but need a decisive close above previous daily high. Now I feel that once we break above 19,220 levels, we might head towards lifetime highs in the small cap index. Let's see how things are moving. Let's not jump into conclusion and start buying. So I have been bullish from here. So we'll have to maintain your positions and take stop losses wherever necessary. So just maintain your positions and take stop losses necessary. As of now, I am bullish on the small cap index. If it starts to hold above 19,000 levels, we'll see more up move. We might head towards 20K also. And coming to Bank Nifty and Nifty's ratio, so price has come to resistance point again. Now we need either a breakout or rejection from this trend line here. So let's see how things are moving, and I'll update on this again. And coming to commodities. So as you can see, there has been a this week's candle. Last week's candle is a doji in the doji and a kind of rejection from the upper side. So we can say that price has taken resistance from the 21 EMA in the daily time frame and seeing more fall here post the announcement of Fed's uh, policy to not cut rates here. And I see more fall. As I have said, that price could head towards 3,700. That is my first target. And let's see how things are moving. The view here is bullish. If there is a change of trend, I'll update on the channel. And let's see how things are opening in the market tonight, and we'll see how we'll plan and trade based on that. And as far as silver is concerned, as you can see, the 50 EMA is trending down, and there is more fall. And the price is at 50 EMA in the weekly time frame, and we might see more fall. And I don't think this is the right time to invest again. We have monthly closing too. That could give us more clarity, because we are closing below previous monthly lows. Let's see if we break below 61. That could be very much bearish and see a down move. And that's my view. And as I have said, that price is forming a base in the dollar exchange, and it has slightly closed above previous daily highs. So 100.65 was my breakout level. Now it has broken above this. Once we start to move up, then the target would be 101.9, and 102 will be the next up move points. So you just keep a way on the dollar index and how things are moving. And USD INR is slightly giving a down move here, which is very much good. And weekly time frame, I see a pullback towards almost 93.45 should be the pullback level, and we might see so as you can see, the price has Rupee had taken support from 9 EMA in all of this for the last 1 year, and was given an up move. But this is for the first time we are breaking below this level with a strong candle, and then one more down candle. We might see prices coming down. USD INR getting weaker, so price Rupee should get stronger here. We might see 80 paise down move here. So I think this should be a good opportunity to short this USD INR. But since we cannot trade in normal people cannot trade in the forex market, we'll just keep a watch on how things are moving here. So that's all for tonight. And as far as cash stocks are concerned, once the telegram is up, I'll update the same in the channel. Thank you so much. Hope you have a profitable week ahead.